Hi guys, I'm Rosie from Price Attack HQ. One of the best things about working here is that we get to try out all the brands we sell. We want to know what products work and what the next must-have item for our hair is. One of our favourite brands is PPS. It's exclusively sold through Price Attack and is Australian owned and formulated. The best thing is that it's reverted back to its original formula, so the brand that everyone used to love is now back. Today I'm going to talk to you about two of my favourite products from the range, the Classic Blonde and the Hydrolite Shampoo and Conditioner. The Classic Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner are a rich, creamy violet product. They help to neutralise golden and brassy tones in blondes. Blonde hair is often damaged because of all the chemicals we put through it. One of the great things about the Classic Blonde is that it helps to strengthen and nourish the hair. Not only does the product help maintain your beautiful blonde, it also provides you with a nice shine and gloss finish. The Classic Blonde Conditioner is packed full of protein. This helps to nourish and detangle your hair. It also has added sun protection, which helps protect against those UV rays. Now onto PPS Hydrolite, which is the perfect product for fine hair. Fine hair is weak, so it has low resistance to abrasive cleansers. But without cleansing, the hair usually gets oily quick, which moves down to the ends and makes your hair flat, making volume a bit of a challenge. PPS Hydrolite Shampoo gently removes dirt, oil and product buildup, which weigh the hair down and potentially damage or break it. The PPS Hydrolite Conditioner is the perfect product because it detangles and nourishes the hair without weighing it down. The great thing about both PPS Classic Blonde and Hydrolite is that they contain vitamin B5. This helps to rebuild damaged hair. Not only that, both products have hydrolyzed silk, which aids in moisture retention. There's something for everyone in the PPS range, and the best thing about it is they're only $19.95 each.